Hello. Today I'm playing Animal Jam. Waiting for my friend to come. Alright, let's go to them. Yeah. Where is she? Oh boy. No! Okay, so we don't have any Gamograms today. Except for that. And, yeah. Come on. Get over here. No. Okay. So, I'll show you my Animal Jam character. If I have already showed you this, I'm sorry. Bunch of stuff. I'll show you my trade list. This is what's on trade. You can trade me when I'm online. I'm not watching that. Alright. Oh, I think she's here. Where is she? Come on up here. Alright. Oh, yeah. And I realized that I was speaking too low. So now I gotta speak louder so that you guys can actually hear me. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Now. Oh, here she is. Hello. Hey, Mikey. Can you get me my binder? Can you get me my binder and put it over here? Can you get me my binder and put it over here? Come on. The black binder. Okay. Sorry about that. Alright. Did you say hi yet? Come here. Come here, little puppy. Yeah, she's my dog. Not in real life, because that'd just be weird. Alright. Because you know sometimes your Animal Jam thing doesn't pop up. Alright, now I'm gonna be playing my other Animal Jam character, my backup account. Yep, sorry. Alright, her username is Black and Blue Cutie. If you could friend her, that'd be awesome. Do not send her items because she is a non-member. Yay! Okay. Sorry. This is my den. There's a lot of stuff here. Oh yeah, and just in case you think how I got my spike is scamming, I don't scam, okay? Do not think I scam because it's not true. I have no mealtime items today. I think I said that already. Hey, buddies. News, yes, raccoons are out. Except they're kind of ugly. I don't really like them. I mean, look, it's tiny, it's ugly. I'm starting a bat clan. If you want to send me a Telegram that says I would like to join Bat Clan. And if you're a non-member, you can send it. You could send something like party in Flippers and Fins, okay? Alright. Now, let's log in. I think my sound is turned on this character. Oops. Okay. How many more minutes do I have left? I have yeah. Yeah, I have a 10-minute video. Oh god. Okay. Oh, Whoa, whoa, whoa. The sound is on. Let's see what I get. $300. Wonderful. Turn the sound off. Okay, this is my character, and I'll show you my den. It's awesome. Alright. I'll show you my den quickly. The black hole. You can look it up on YouTube on how to make it. It's awesome. This is my den. You see, black and blue kitty. Black, blue. Hey, hey, hey. Okay. Oh. Whoops. Oh my goodness. I forgot that they ran out. Forgot you can't they out of stores. Yeah, they're out of stores. Alright, so this is my character. Bunny, bunny, bunny. Okay. Don't trade this character, because I did. Well, you could trade this for this stuff if you really want it. My character. Not a lot of stuff. Why do I remember item? Well, I'll save them. I'm a collector. Den items, den items, den items. Come on. Where's my stuff? The big cactus plant. Alright, where is she? Wait for her to come. What else do I need to put in here? That's so small. I have enough lemonade stands. Alright. Pillows. Alright, I didn't mean to scream. Where is she? Alright, well, I'm gonna stop recording. See you later. Peace.